Okay, great. Well, we're here today. It's kind of late afternoon for me in Bellevue, Washington, but it's nice and early in the morning in Japan. And we have some special guests and new partners, Edge Matrix, that are here. And so why don't you introduce yourselves to our audience?
Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity to us. And my name is Hiroshi Ota from Edge Matrix. My background is I worked in mobile carrier before, but after I started to establish a company that called Cloudian. Who is providing some big data storage, object storage. And we spin off from Cloudian about 5.5 years ago. And we started Edge AI business in Japan.
Got it.
Hi.
Got it. Fantastic. And Sugihara-san, do you want to introduce yourself briefly to?
Yeah, I'm Sugihara. I was working for some companies, especially the longest time is I spent at the Intel Corporation, and about 20 years.
Wow.
And I also joining the Sony's system development, Sony's PC, and some others. Now I'm in charge of the products development, all products from the Edge Matrix.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Well, thank you for making the time. Yeah, and Edge Matrix joined about 3-4 months ago, I think, which is great. Great to have you. We have partners in Japan. We have Sony there, Renaissance. It's great to see Edge Matrix there. I think the community in Japan is there's a ton of innovation happening there. And so it's great to have you in the community. We're trying to really kind of diversify not only the kind of types of companies involved, but also geographically as well. And we'll get into what Edge Matrix does, but you do something very interesting, and you provide some really interesting solutions that leverage Edge AI, and you also build things for your customers, which is kind of cool. So do you want to switch into, I know you have some slides to kind of go over a little bit of the company overview. Should we switch into that mode now?
Okay.
Or you would need to share the slides, and we can cut this out too. We'll edit it. Okay.
Can you see my slide?
There you go.
Yep.
Ta-da.
Okay.
So yes, go for it.
So this is a company profile page. So we have focused on the development of video Edge AI and target the smart city market. So Edge Matrix started its business in July 2019. So we started our AI businesses as I told, a spin-off from the Cloudian. And but we needed funding to develop a deployment platform for video Edge AI. So we received a total about $20 million USD investment from the companies shown on this slide. So we are currently engaged in business. So one is product business. Another one is the solution and service business.
Right.
So one is a product business, and another one, in the product business, we offer the Edge AI box like this. And recently, we released the Edge AI station. So it should be explained from Sugihara-san later. But so in the solution and service business, we use the Edge AI box developed custom AI system with various video AI applications and visualization systems. We also offer ready-made AI system to expand sales of the variety of the versatile applications.
Got it.
So customer can immediately start using AI application by developing the ready-made AI system, like that.
And so you're building the equipment. Oh, you're going to talk more about it.
Right.
Yeah, you're building the equipment, but you're also providing kind of a solution
Right.
software on top as well.
That's
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Hmm.
And this is our overall system concept and function. So as I said, we are targeting the smart city market, but the large number of the cameras in smart city cannot be monitored by human 24 times 365.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So on the other hand, using the video edge AI allows you to monitor all cameras in real time, 24 365. And also the result of the video analysis converted into the small data and then compiled and visualized for use in businesses. But it is important that the AI issues an alert when it detects an abnormality.
Right.
So our system can handle both local and remote alert, as shown in this slide, and allows the security guard to check real-time footage from the camera where the alert occurred.
Got it. And do you see that in your deployments? I see that these are sort of these cameras these are like kind of legacy on VIF type cameras that are connected into your gateway. Is that typically the configuration that you're working with?
We are actually supporting the IP camera, which the protocol is the RTSP camera.
Okay, RTSP.
That can be connected to our boxes.
Got it. Okay. Interesting.
And it also supports the recording, which allows you to take a snapshot and even video recording into our SSD installed in the J box. So when an abnormality occurs, and the user easily can download the video recording.
Right. Okay. So it does snapshots and things like that.
Right.
Great.
Hi. And this is our product lineup, but some sort of the product. So the first important thing is realizing edge AI computing is the choice of the hardware, edge hardware, right? So the edge environment we implement not only indoor, but also the installed outdoor, such as the road, railway, and rivers. So such location requires a high reliable hardware that can operate 24 times 365 and has remote control interfaces. So we are developing hardware product called AGI Box that reflect our experience in various fields. The Edge AI Station is a product that provides a deploying function as a smart city OS on the Edge AI Box. So this is a much easy to handle because the many function can be supported, like OS function. So probably.
And these are all primarily NVIDIA based. Is that kind of your platform that you've been?
Right. So we are currently just to focus on video.
Yeah. And the NVIDIA platform, right?
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yep. Supporting the streaming type, some processing. Yes.
Got it. Yeah, and I would assume that, like you mentioned, these have to be deployed in some kind of, challenging environments, right? So the kind of the weatherization or the
right.
How do you?
The POC probably not so difficult to use many tools in the open source. But if the real system should be implemented to the market, for example, securities or how to operate from the remote. That kind of the function is very important. Also, some monitoring function also very important. That's all things implemented in this OS.
I see. So a lot of remote monitoring, telemetry, remote control, firmware updating. I mean, the whole thing can be remotely managed.
Yes. So we are much focused on the kind of the deployment platform.
Deployment, yeah.
Deployment to the field. Yes.
Right. So you're building the hardware platform based on NVIDIA. You're adding your own software capabilities. You're building it into a kind of weatherized containers. And then you're also deploying the solution in the market for the customer too. So it's kind of you're a solution provider, device builder. You build the whole thing, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, that's cool.
And another one, we are recently developing the AGI Station Alpha. This is a bundling the some versatile applications on the OS. So, for example, the parking lot measurement, or road traffic measurement, or like people counting, or smoke fire detection. Those applications should be bundled and all in one in this box. Then the user can immediately use the applications.
So it's kind of like a turnkey solution for a specific use case.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Makes sense. Right. Yeah. No, that would definitely help accelerate deployment, especially I think maybe for smaller businesses too, or smaller operations that want to probably get a more cost-effective solution just for their needs without doing a lot of custom. Yeah, not a lot of custom engineering there. That makes sense. Fantastic.
Hi.
Yeah.
And this is our boxes, air boxes lineup.
Yeah.
So we have from high end to low end many variation. But currently we are much focused on these three models. This is because this is a very high performance GPU is installed. So we mainly using the NVIDIA embedded type GPU called the Jetson series.
Right.
And the performance is very aggressively increasing right now.
Yes.
So the three box has a very high performance.
Yes.
So
I think the new one's called Thor. Is that the new? I think that's the new chip. It's called Thor.
Right. Jetson Orin series. Yes.
The Orin series.
Yeah, they have the 4 also, but we have not implemented. It's a little bit more high end. It's not good fit to the box yet.
I see. So it's more data center, or maybe not data center, but I think I've seen it in some robotics platforms, some physical AI.
Robotics, but it's actually hot.
Yeah, pretty hot. Yeah, I can imagine the thermals on that thing.
Yep.
Fantastic. What are some of the? I guess I had two questions for you. One, what are some of the challenges you see in kind of developing and deploying these types of solutions? What are some of the common challenges that you see? And then I guess the second question, which is a different question, which is around, are you exploring generative AI and visual language models and things like that on some of these platforms?
Okay. The one is 24 times 365 support. It's a little bit difficult because AI using the very high level OS environment like a Linux type.
Right.
But
Embedded
some
Linux.
type, the system down or system stopping. For example, in case camera might be stopped or communication module like a LTE or 5G module stopping or a whole system stopping, then the reboot function will be needed. So we developed this board. This is including the supercapacitor for the battery and the very low power consumption CPU. So this board monitoring the system condition and some code boot or LT reboot or POE reboot, those functions is automatically done. So then the 24/365 can be possible.
Got it. Yeah. Sometimes they call that a dead man switch, or a basically you're able to reboot the system from any kind of catastrophe.
That's right. Yeah. If you see it outside, maybe you just show the very short time power down.
Right.
It's very common in the
Yeah.
world, of course. In that case, the system is not working properly. So that this one can detect that status and it do the cold reboot. That means power off and power on again, and keep the system working.
Right. So you have basically like a secondary platform to control the primary platform to actually do a complete power off reset if needed.
That's right. So the importance is it's in the system, in the box.
Right. In
together.
the box, yes. Cool. That's fascinating. And so on the in terms of, there's a lot of discussion around generative AI and visual language models and using generative AI to put context around video streams. Is that something that you had any, I'm sure you've been experimenting with it. Do you have any thoughts on that or where that's heading?
So currently we are focusing not generative AI, but also the discriminative AI, like a YOLO, probably you know.
Discriminative
Because
AI.
Real-time capability is very important now, and accuracy of the recognition, that's very important. So currently, the discriminative AI is much easier than generative AI for embedded environment.
Okay. So discriminative AI would be like more precise detection and discriminating, I guess, different scenarios.
Right. Much focus on dedicated some purpose functions.
Right. Yeah, my understanding is like the generative AI models take about a gigabyte of RAM per billion parameters. So an 8 billion model, which is pretty small, would take 8 gig of RAM. So I guess, that is one of the challenges right now with running generative AI on edge equipment is the memory footprint and cost. And I see you have one in here that has a couple of 32 gig, 16 gig, but that gets pretty expensive. Yeah, interesting.
But we also start some investigation about generative AI. Then probably the hybrid discriminative AI and the generative AI might be one of the good solution in the future.
Yeah. Excellent. Wow, this is great. And so have you done deployments? I mean, primarily your business has been in Japan, right? That's been kind of your primary business, but you're expanding now to go worldwide. Is that the next big step?
Yep.
Hi.
That's right.
Yeah.
So, and Sugihara-san probably explain a little bit about Air Station.
Okay.
Maybe 3 minutes.
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to explain about the Edge AI station that recently we announced. I'll show you this software stack and some of the GUIs and some major functions. And we have the very short video how it works. This slide show you the software stacks running on Edge AI station. As you said, the basic hardware is the Jetson Orin based. We have the 3 models, Orin Nano, Orin NX, and AGX Orin. And running on that hardware and the Jetpack module, we put some of the middleware that support the major functions of the
Mhm.
how we running the AI processors, how we operate the system itself, and it's very good for the deploying system, your AI. Just move to the next files, please.
Next one.
Yeah, this is major functions we have.
Mm.
Let's start on the top left and clock counter wise.
Mhm.
It has of course NVIDIA based deep stream. It supports the deep stream in this box. And that means we allow the multiple inputs and multiple pipelines you can run and orchestrated by the Triton server system and in this box.
Mm.
So also we put the AI processor development. AI processor means AI applications. We call the AI processor about
Right.
the AI application, and
Mhm.
you can develop or you can implement your own custom AI program running on this system, and we deliver the development tools to do that.
Right.
And another point in this system is how you use the output of the AI processor. Or put the Node-RED in this system, and Node-RED, you can make your own business logic to the output of the AI processors, and you can route that data to the other system using the Node-RED. This
Mm.
is a really different way to see then how you build business logic. It's not really depends on the AI process application itself, but we put Node-RED.
Mhm.
And next one is open APIs. This is really intended to the communication with supervising system,
Mm.
like Niagara running on the SCADA system. And from that, supervising system, you can control this edge AI station using this open APIs. So you can build the many edge AI station and one SCADA control system.
Mm. I see.
And of course, we have the backup and restore software.
Mhm.
And also we provide the software update, of course,
Sure.
and put the security and put the system monitoring for the mainly for the debugging. And we put the remote access. This is just for us. That means we use the remote access for the maintenance support to the customers.
Mm. Mm. I see.
And for the GUI, we put the web server, and of course, you can set the device itself.
Right. Right. Mm.
And next point, please. Next slide, please. This is an example of the GUI. Top left, it shows the AI processors. This
Mm.
example has the 3 AI processors. It's different AI now, core network. Uh, and you can use each of one to build the pipeline and running the pipeline on the system. And top right is so-called the recording. That means you can set the trigger and
Mhm.
record the videos, or you can get the snapshot by the trigger. And the bottom left is Node-RED. Maybe this is very popular
The editor.
application. Yeah,
Mhm.
and you can edit the output of the pipeline
Mhm.
and maybe routing the data to the S3 cloud system, and of course the supervising system.
Got it.
And last one is the bottom right matrix that shows the CPU utilization and memory utilization, performance, those things. So actually, you can really, you can use this one for the debugging, how you get the stable system in a month, in a week, in a day. You can see it. Yeah, and lastly, give you the very short video next time.
Sure. Let's see the video.
It's running. No, it's running. This is just processing the just one edge AI station. You can see the two lines for the line crossing and the two areas of the ROI setting. Yellow area is ROI. We'll put the two areas, counting the people within the area. And two green lines, it's middle left and the bottom right, two lines. You can count the people crossing the line. Those things we can do in just one application.
Wow.
This is a DD example. We just announced the release of this product.
Got it. Interesting.
Yep, that's all.
Yeah. So this is the new AI station. So this is the more of a kind of a turnkey solution for different scenarios, right?
Yeah, it's really easy to start and start in a short time, and of course, really low cost comparing if you developing your own system.
Right.
This is not just not for the development platform, but it's also the operating the service to the customers.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, this is great. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like, as I mentioned, you're building the equipment, you're solving, doing the solution deployment, the commercialization, and now you have something that's more kind of turnkey for different vertical scenarios, so people can deploy this quickly without a lot of development, which is key, right? I mean, that's super important that people can be self-enabled to develop and deploy solutions based on AI and not have to have a big development environment and big 2 years worth of project, whatever.
Right.
Great. Well, I really appreciate the time. I think folks can learn more at your website, Edge Matrix, and get in contact with you. And I think, what you're doing here is really fantastic. And we really appreciate you being part of the foundation community.
Yeah, we just, of course, looking forward to working with you. And we want to see many customers have the interest in our system.
Yes.
And try.
Definitely.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.